With this amazing Seiko Speedtimer, I'll be showing you exactly how a chronograph watch works. Essentially, a chronograph is a watch with a built-in stopwatch. You can fairly easily tell if a watch is a chronograph if it has a set of subdials and these two pushes found on the side of the case. For the purposes of this video, these buttons can be labelled as A and B. So, you can start your stopwatch with the press of the A pusher. With that press, you should start to see your second hand moving around the dial. This particular model, like many other chronographs, also has a 60-minute subdial which will also start its movement when the stopwatch starts. If you want to stop your chronograph, you can press the A button, and if you want to resume, press the A again. And finally, when you want to reset the timer, you can stop the hand with A and reset with B. Now, you can get a little fancier with your chronograph and record splits, which can be useful for grabbing lap times. To do this, you'll start with an A press to begin the timer, and when you've completed a lap or section of your task, you can press B to get a split reading. You can then quickly write the time of the split as shown on the watch, or just take a mental note, and then release the split with another B press. The stopwatch won't have lost any time and will keep ticking, and then you'll be free to keep taking more splits and releasing with your B pusher presses. When you're done, simply push A to stop and B to reset. This is a very handy function that's not just for sports. You'll find regular opportunities to use the stopwatch and the split function if you like to be time efficient. For that reason, chronograph watches like the Seiko Speedtimer are super popular and really fun to play around with. Hopefully this guide has given you an idea of how to use your chronograph or helped you to decide on that next watch purchase. Thank you for watching.